Tripod. A tripod is a three-legged support designed to hold a camera steady and completely still. The design dates back centuries to early surveying and optical instruments, long before modern photography existed. The tripod provided a stable base by spreading weight across three legs that could stand securely on uneven ground, usually made of lightweight materials such as aluminum or carbon fiber to reduce the overall weight while still maintaining strength. They can be in 3 to 4 sections, allowing for taller or shorter designs. They can be with or without a center column. The mechanisms to adjust the legs can be a latch or twist lock. Today, it remains one of the most essential tools in photography and videography, used for landscapes, studio work, long exposures, interviews, and any situation where stability is critical. Heavy-duty double-tubed tripod. A heavy-duty double-tubed tripod is a specialized tripod designed primarily for professional video cameras. Instead of a single tube for each leg section, this design uses 2 parallel tubes that increase rigidity and reduce twisting or flexing. The structure is built to handle heavier camera rigs, large lenses, teleprompters, and other production accessories commonly used in video work. Because video movements such as panning and tilting must remain smooth and controlled, the extra strength of the double tube design helps prevent vibrations or wobble. These tripods are commonly seen in television studios, broadcast environments, and professional film productions where stability under heavier loads is essential. Travel tripod. A travel tripod is a compact version of a traditional tripod built specifically for portability. The legs fold down into a shorter package in usually 4 sections and often reverse around the center column so the tripod can fit easily inside a backpack or suitcase. Travel tripods are commonly used by photographers who move frequently between locations and need reliable support without carrying bulky equipment. Tabletop tripod. A tabletop tripod is a small support designed to sit on flat surfaces, such as tables, rocks, or ledges. Instead of tall legs, it uses short legs that spread wide to create stability at a low height. These tripods are often used for product photography, macro photography, live stream setups, and travel situations where a full-size tripod would be impractical. Despite their small size, many tabletop tripods are surprisingly strong and capable of supporting mirrorless or small DSLR cameras. Flexible tripod. A flexible tripod uses bendable, segmented legs rather than rigid metal ones. Each leg is made of small, jointed sections that allow it to wrap around objects like tree branches, poles, or railings. This makes it possible to mount a camera in places where a normal tripod cannot stand. Flexible tripods became especially popular with compact cameras and action cameras, offering creative mounting options while still working as a small tabletop tripod when placed on a flat surface. Monopod. A monopod is a single-leg support designed to stabilize a camera while still allowing mobility. Unlike a tripod, it cannot stand on its own, so the photographer holds it upright while shooting. The design reduces vertical camera shake but still allows the camera to pivot and follow moving subjects. Monopods are widely used in sports, wildlife, and event photography where photographers need support for heavy lenses but must move quickly. Monopod for 360-degree cameras. A lighter variation of the monopod includes a small 3-point base at the bottom of the pole. This design is often used with lightweight cameras, such as 360-degree cameras or compact video setups. The small folding feet provide a bit of stability and allow the monopod to briefly stand on its own, while still remaining far more portable than a full tripod. The small feet allow for easy removal in the photo in post-production in 360-degree photography. Electronic gimbal. An electronic gimbal is a motorized stabilizer that uses sensors and small motors to keep a camera level while it moves. Instead of relying on fixed legs, the system constantly adjusts the camera position to counteract hand movement. Gyroscopic sensors detect motion and instantly correct it, allowing smooth footage even while walking or running. Electronic gimbals have become widely used in filmmaking, vlogging, and action shooting, where stable handheld video is required.